Imagine teaching Jack about different fruits. Will you tell him the name of each fruit or let him figure it out by himself? That's the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So today we are going to discuss the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So, supervised learning use labeled data. Labeled means you tell Jake what each fruit is. For example, you say this is an apple and this is a banana. He uses these names to learn. Okay. For example, showing Jack pictures of cats and dogs and telling him their names, right? So unsupervised learning use unlabeled data. You don't give Jake any names. He looks at the fruits and starts to notice which ones are round or long. For example, Jake looks at fruits and says, these are big and these are small without being told. So second difference is feedback. Supervised learning, you help Jake when he makes a mistake. If he calls an apple a banana, you say no, this is an apple. For example, a teacher correcting Jake's math answer if he gets it wrong. Unsupervised learning feedback, Jack learns without help. Even if he makes mistakes, no one tells him he is wrong. For example, Jack trying to build a Lego tower without any guiding him. So the third difference is purpose. Supervised learning purpose, it helps Jake learn to guess what something is, like if a fruit is an apple or a banana. For example, predicting if it will rain tomorrow based on past weather. Okay, so unsupervised learning purpose, it helps Jake notice patterns, like seeing that some fruits are soft and others are hard. For example, Jake figuring out that some classmates love sports while others enjoy reading. So the fourth difference is groups or classes. Supervised learning, Jake already knows the group, like apples and bananas. For example, Jake puts coins into pennies and nickels because he knows their names. Okay. So unsupervised learning class, Jack does not know the groups. He looks at the fruits and figures them out himself, like noticing which are juicy and which are not. Okay. For example, Jake sees his book and thinks these are fun stories and these are scary stories without anyone explaining. Okay. So in supervised learning, Jack gets examples and corrections to help him. In unsupervised learning, Jack learns by exploring and noticing things on his own. Both are useful and fun ways to learn. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel for more tech lessons. Thank you.